Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail Offers. Together, our products deliver the insights you need to make better decisions about your marketing mix, saving you time, money, and hassle. What products does CallRail offer? Call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Conversation analytics. There's a lot you can learn from your team's calls. But for people, scanning call recordings and transcriptions is time-consuming, mind-numbing work. For robots, it's a breeze. They work fast. Form tracking. You've packed your pipe full of prospects. But which leads are qualified? Which aren't? Which are ready to buy? Which need nurturing? And which come to you through your marketing programs? Find out with form tracking. Lead center, talk, text, chat, track, qualify, monitor team performance, and elevate customer service with visibility into conversations and communications. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.